Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to perform an advanced search on Amazon so you can find exactly what you're looking for faster. First, go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app and make sure you're signed in to your account. At the top of the screen, type what you're looking for into the search bar. Use clear keywords or a short phrase that best describes the product you want. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear with suggested searches. You can scroll through these suggestions and select one if it matches what you're looking for. Once the results page loads, look to the left side of the screen. This is where Amazon shows filters to help refine your search. Use the options in the left side menu to narrow down your results. You can filter by category, price range, brand, customer rating, shipping options, and more. As you apply filters, Amazon will update the results automatically so you can quickly see products that match your preferences. And that's how you perform an advanced search on Amazon. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.